Hi all, welcome to a video presentation by Vishwaprakash Center School, Grade 10. This is our English Art Integrated project, the subject handled by teacher Sajida. We are group number 6 consists of 7 persons, myself and John, an introduction by Jindo Johnny. A speech about Kerala is to Benisha John. A speech about Himachal Pradesh is to Jija Johnson. And a PowerPoint presentation by Johan John, and the index speech about Himachal Pradesh is to Adul Krishna, and a conclusion by Adriano Gelasti.
Hi all, I am here to present my English Art Integrated project and my topic is Introduction about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a state in the northern part of India, situated in the western Himalayas. It is one of the 11 mountain states and is categorized by an extreme landscape featuring several peaks and extensive river systems. Himachal Pradesh is the northernmost state of India and shares boundaries with the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh to the north, and the states of Punjab to the west, Haryana to the southwest, Uttarakhand to the southeast, and a very narrow boundary with Uttar Pradesh to the south. The states also shares an international border to the east with the Tibet Autonomous region in China. Himachal Pradesh is also known as Devbhoomi or Land of God and Veerbhoomi, which means Land of Braves. Himachal Pradesh consists of 12 districts, 125 sub-districts, 59 towns, 20,690 villages, 77 CD blocks. Himachal Pradesh is known for its narrow gauge railways. Hinduism is the major religion in the state. The state has remained mostly untouched by external custom, mainly due to difficult terrain. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its handicraft, including carpets, paintings, leatherworks, stoles, and more. Hindi is the official language of the state. Himachal Pradesh was established in 1948 as a chief commissioner province within the Union of India. Himachal Pradesh became a union territory on 1st November 1956 on 18 December 1970. The State of Himachal Pradesh Act was passed by Parliament and the new state came into beginning of 25 January 1971. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. The total area of Himachal Pradesh is 55,673 square kilometer. The people of Himachal Pradesh live a simple life where most of them are engaged in agricultural activities. More than 90% of the population of the state are Hindus, while a majority of Buddhists are found in the areas of Dharamshala, MC Leogani, and in the areas of Lahul and Spit. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its beautiful views as well as adventure activities such as trek, paragliding, skiing, and so much more. It is a popular holiday destination with people of all age groups, be it young friends, families, and adventures.
Traditional dresses of Himachal Pradesh: Chamba dress, Kinnur dress, Kullu dress, Shimla dress, Lahal and Spiti dress, Sirmaur dress, traditional dress of Mandi, Solan, Hamirpur, Bilaspur, Kanpura, UNA district of HP, FAQS, jewelry of Brahmin and Rajput, Chak, Chandrihar, Chiri, Tok.
Conclusion of Himachal Pradesh. There are many communities, many religions and people from different castes that they will in harmony in this state. Their culture are exhibited in their tradition, rituals and their dresses. The artery of Himachal people is very beautiful and vibrant. Kerala is a treasure box of folk and classical art, colorful festival, delightful cuisine, beautiful beaches, backwaters, and many other features make the state really a God's own country. Tourist zones are ecologically sensitive zone. People in such places do not separate themselves from nature. Thank you.
Hello guys, today I am telling about Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Himachal Pradesh is the Indian state which resides in the lap of mighty Himalayas. Natives of the states are known as Pahari. The culture of Himachal Pradesh is rich in diversity and traditions, and thanks to the lofty terrains and a challenging reach, it is not yet influenced by the western cultures largely. There are many communities, many religions, and many from different castes that dwell in harmony in the state. The cultures and exhibited in their traditions, rituals, and their dresses. The attire of Himachal Pradesh people is very beautiful and vibrant, and it's made according to the harsh weather conditions that linger all year round, warm and cozy. The hand woven dresses are an attraction for people visit the state from the other parts of the country and world. Right from the caps of to the dresses to the footwear, the most it is weaved manually. The handloom has risen to become the natural identity of Himachal Pradesh. In my opinion, Himachal Pradesh is a really gift of nature, and we have to thank God for giving such a good things.
Good morning to all. I am Benisha John from grade 10. I am here to present about clothing of Kerala. What you wear is a beautiful form of self-expression, and the people of Kerala dress up in their traditional attire to symbolize their love and respect for their history and culture as well as their beliefs. The textile industry in Kerala is one of the foremost revenue generators of the state, with cotton and silk being the predominantly produced fabrics here. The clothing of the state is minimalistic, a fact from which it derives its eloquence. Now I am going to tell about traditional dresses of Kerala for men's. To cover up their upper bodies, men wrap a cloth over their shoulders, which is known as male mundu. However, with rapid modernization as well as influence from the West, a more commonly seen combination today is a mundu with a shirt, sometimes with a blazer. For traditional festivals such as Onam, men also opt for a kurta or a sherwani with the mundu. The garment, to avoid obstructions while engaging in work, can be folded and is often done so by men. Furthermore, men in Kerala also wear a dress known as jubba, that is full sleeved along with the mundu for joyous occasions. Over time, dresses have been revamped to fit the current scenario, and in the case of jubba, the dress itself is now handsomely embroidered. Now I am going to tell about traditional dresses of Kerala for women. The women customarily wear a mundu set or a mundum neriyadum, which includes a blouse that hangs from one shoulder and has a kala similar to the lower mundu. This attire is said to bear a striking resemblance to a sari. It is primarily made out of cotton or silk. Mundus are fashioned in various manners. Every community, every religion adds its touch to this piece of elegance and purity. Thank you.